I braid, I sew, I weave, I sing, I rap, I does it all. They don't believe me? Listen, let me put you on. I'ma tell you something. Matter of fact, get the clippers, I'ma heat or something. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. You know, I've been wanting to do this YouTube thing for a long time. I'm just going to start off with these bohemian braids really quickly, show you a quick rundown on how this whole process goes. Hope you enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe. Send me some messages as well because, you know, I'm just new to this YouTube thing. So, hey, y'all, right now I'm just showing you guys how I braid the hair inside of the bohemian braids. As you can see, as I focus my camera, all the parts are neatly parted. I'm over there just, you know, trying to make it look as fabulous as I can. As you can see, the technique of braiding hair is actually, you have to have a rhythm. As you can see, my fingers, you know, the hair gets tangled sometimes, but that's just normal. But if you just practice and practice, you can be just as good as a braider as I am. You know, position your client's head just like how I did so I can, you know, structure it and make the braids as neat as possible. If I'm rude to you, it's because you literally asked for it. Like, you literally pushed that button. And I have to get, like, sarcastic. You know what I'm saying? That's the rudest I will be. You know? But other than that, I'm not trying to ever be that way. But it's hard, though, because some people, they just have low tolerance. Especially if they've been in the business for a long time. They just have low tolerance for stupid shit. They just be like, you know what, I'm good either way, whether you come to me or not, which is a bad mindset, but it's a good mindset because then it shows like you really know who you are, you know your worth.
And you have to, and then like another thing, like you have to make an account with them, and then if you're new, you have to book a $25 deposit.
As you can see how neat and more uniform this way. I tried to, you know, show you guys a more in-depth look of what's going on. You know, braiding is very spiritual for me. It's very relaxing. And my client, she's relaxed as well because she's going to look fabulous after this braid session is done. This style takes about 3 to 4 hours, but if I had an extra person with me, it would probably take me about 2. You can also follow my Instagram here by Judea and my shop name, Chic Del Rock Studios. Thank you. It works for me. You know, I'm not a person that's going to sit in the salon all day waiting for somebody to come. You know what I'm saying? I got other things I have to do.
Right.
I have other endeavors that I'm indulged in that I have to focus on. This is not the only thing I'm focusing on. You know, so it just all depends on the person and what type of business they're trying to run. If they feel like you're not their client, of course they're going to treat you a certain way. You know, like I know my clients. I know exactly who my clients are. Some people are not my clients. Like,
yeah.
And I don't mind that. Like, it's like, all right, you're not for me. You're not, you know what I mean? You're not, I'm not pressed. Like, whether you come to me or not. Like, some lady wanted me to do her locks for like $130, waist length and all this shit. I'm like, listen, man, I don't know who you think I am or what you're trying to do, but this is my price. If you can't pay that price, I don't know what to tell you.
$275 is good. Like, there's people who charge $800, $600.
Yeah. And I could charge more, but I'm being humble.
Right.
I still want to learn some different lock techniques too, because they got some nice, pretty locks that I want to learn how to do, and I just have to find the formula to them. Like, it's these nice locks that I want to learn how to do. They're so pretty. They look, and it's the hair. Everything goes into like what you're doing with natural hair. You gotta have the right hair, the right locks, the right, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The right techniques, basically. So I was just like, she never called me. I was like, good. Like, I don't want to do her hair anyway. For real, because people like that, you don't want to do.